Hey everybody, John Steyer again, and here we go. FCEF 10-week apprenticeship program, and we are working on tile. Today the guys are they set their tile yesterday, and today this is actually kind of fun for me watching this. But I really stressed the importance of keeping the tile installation as clean as they could while they were working. Today they pulled their spacers, they're getting on their tile, and prior to grouting, you can see what they're doing now. I'll flip you around here. But what I'm having them do is clean out their grout lines. A lot of things they noticed, and this is how I'm gonna teach this is just through experience. They're gonna have to do this to learn the importance of this. So getting that thin set cleaned off the tile, keeping your grout lines clean. It's important, right? And we're gonna go spread that grout. We can't have thin set in there. So this morning, they're gonna be working on cleaning up their modules, getting them ready to go. I'm actually, excited once we get this grouted. We're gonna do this again. We're gonna have them work with the tile again. And I'm excited to see the huge changes that you're gonna see from the first module to the second module. The students are just finishing up their grouting, and we're excited here because we've got enough tile, so we're gonna actually do this again. And you can see how nice they look. And yeah, wave. But one thing we're gonna do is this is a classroom, and we're here to learn. And we've got some of that going on. Right over here, I've got a good example of, thin set. Yeah. But here's the great thing, it's a classroom, and so we're gonna take some time here once I get this all grouted. We're, as a class, we're gonna go through our modules. We're gonna discuss how to do this better, what to watch for. And to me, teaching floor covering, it's very important to teach the experience of the floor covering. We can show so much of this, through a PowerPoint, through talk, but until you're down on your hands and knees, actually working, that's when it's going to click. So this is very important to get this first module done, have the students see what their work is, at this point. And I can guarantee it, I'm calling it right now, that each one of these modules is going to look better the second time they do it. So thanks again for watching. Stay tuned for more. Have a great day.